Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you'll be doing well. So today we are going to proceed our lesson with the writing skills, and the writing skill part A is write a paragraph on any social topic or social issue. Dear students, it's your own choice which of the topics you want to choose. I am choosing a topic for you, and I am also giving a specimen to you. It is not necessary that you have to only learn or only prepare that topic. You can do whichever you want to do. Now, the style of writing your paragraph would be that write a clear topic sentence. Topic sentence mean the first two sentences of any paragraph is called a topic sentence. Supporting details, there must be examples, definitions, comparisons, clarification and explanations to develop the main idea. Use appropriate pronoun, antecedent relationship and transitional devices with the paragraph. Pronoun antecedent relationship means pronoun and the words that are relating to it. And you need to use the transitional devices means that are called the grammatical devices. Within the paragraph, order of arranging details like general to specific or sequential. Sequential mean the details in the paragraphs must be in a great sequence. They should be general, and you can make it a little specific according to your area, according to your time, according to your crowd. So the topic that I am going to choose for you is April Fool's Day. Now, this is a very common day that is celebrated among youth, and usually youth celebrates it because it's something that is celebrated on the first day of the month of April. So, what is being done in this day? All the details are mentioned inside. So, let's get started with the reading. April Fool's Day is celebrated on the first day of the month of April. अप्रैल फूल्स डे अप्रैल के महीने की पहली तारीख को मनाया जाता है. On this day, people take delight in playing practical jokes on each other. इस दिन लोग एक दूसरे के साथ अमली मजाक करके खुशी मनाते हैं. Practical jokes mean there are some jokes that do not exist in the reality. दे befool others by playing pranks on other. वो दूसरों को बेवकूफ़ बनाकर इनके साथ मजाक करते हैं. The custom started in Rome when King Leopold of Belgium, who was married in Rome, was made a fool of by his sister-in-law. ये रवाज रोम में शुरू हुआ जब बेल्जियम का बादशाह लियोपोल्ड, जिसकी शादी रोम में हुई थी, इससे इसकी साली ने बेवकूफ़ बनाकर. Now, when he went to his father-in-law's palace on the 1st of April by mistake, as he had been invited there on 1st of May, जहाँ पर पहली तारीख को अपने ससुर के महल में भेज दिया, जबकि इसे मई की पहली तारीख को दावत दी गई थी. The tradition is maintained even today generally in Western countries or in those countries of East where the impact of the Western civilization had been deep. मगरिबी ममालिक में इस रवायत को अब भी मनाया जाता है, और वो मशरक़ी ममालिक जहाँ मगरिबी ममालिक का असर पाया जाता है वहाँ भी ये दिन मनाया जाता है. Dear students, as we are a colonized nation, for like more than 100 years, uh, all the Britishers have ruled in the subcontinent. So there is a lot of influence of the Western culture in our country as well. So that is why we celebrate April Fool in some way or in some manners as well. In Pakistan too, the first day of April is observed by pranksters in the same manner. पाकिस्तान में भी अप्रैल की पहली तारीख को ये दिन इसी अंदाज में मनाया जाता है. Though this day is celebrated with all zeal and zest, but Islam discourages such foolish activities. अगरचे ये दिन बड़े जोश व खरोश से मनाया जाता है, लेकिन इस्लाम इस तरह की तमाम सरगर्मियों की हौसला शिकनी करता है. इस्लाम forbids telling lies even in light manners. इस्लाम मजाक में भी झूठ बोलने से मना करता है. Islam wants us to maintain our sobriety and such things mar it. इस्लाम हमसे तकाज़ा करता है कि हम हर मामले में अपनी संजीदगी को बरकरार रखें, सोब्राइटी, संजीदगी, और इस तरह की हरकतें इस संजीदगी को नुकसान पहुंचाती हैं, एंड सच थिंग मार इट, नुकसान पहुंचाती हैं. सो कीपिंग इस्लामिक टेक्निक्स और टीचिंग्स इन व्यू, वी शुड शन ऑल सच एक्टिविटीज़. इसलिए इस्लामी तालीमात को सामने रखते हुए हमें ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ यानी सरगर्मियों से बचना चाहिए दैट कुड हार्म एनीवन, जो किसी को भी नुकसान पहुंचा सकती हैं. सो द पैराग्राफ इज़ रिटन ब्यूटिफुली एंड ईच एंड एवरी point and aspect of April Fool's Day is being covered. Now, take care of yourselves, dear students, for today. Allah Hafiz.